Weather coverage you can count on with Chief Meteorologist Kate McKenna and the Way 31 Storm Tracker Early Warning Radar Network.
We've been really focusing on this risk for severe weather late Friday night, early Saturday morning. Until then, we're going to have some scattered showers tonight. Temperatures are on the increase. It's going to be breezy as well, but that main severe threat is coming along with a line of storms ahead of a cold front. We're expecting the threat for damaging straight line wind, that risk for tornadoes as well. The greatest threat is going to be mainly west of I-65, but all of North Alabama will see that chance for severe weather. This is what it looks like right now over the city of Huntsville on the Way 31 Thompson Roofing and Construction Skycam network. Notice those low-hanging clouds. Current temperature at 58 degrees. It is a few degrees warmer than yesterday. It stays mild overnight, and we'll have that chance I had mentioned for a few showers overnight. The Way 31 Storm Tracker Early Warning Radar Network not showing any rain right now, but the clouds will continue to thicken as the night goes on, and those showers are soon to follow. So here's what we've got. 55 degrees your forecast low. Not much cooler than where we are right now. It's breezy too. Wind out of the south-southeast 5 to 15 miles per hour. That wind is going to help keep temperatures up tomorrow despite the cloud cover. We're going to see winds gusting 25 to 30 miles per hour on Friday. It is going to feel unusually warm. It's going to be one of those days where you say, it's not quite right for December in North Alabama for us to be in the low to mid 70s during the afternoon hours, and especially still in the 60s at night. So you'll feel the humidity, that warm wind, and those highs tomorrow again well above average by about 20 degrees. All of this I'm mentioning to you because it is setting the stage for that severe threat. Watch future radar here and we'll time all of this out for you. The data source that you're looking at shows about the earliest arrival time that I can find. Not to say that the storms will get here this early, but this at least prevents you from being caught off guard if they come in a little bit earlier than what we would have forecast otherwise. So here's 9 o'clock tonight, just scattered shower activity. Again, it's breezy, it's cloudy, it's mild. 6 o'clock tomorrow morning, early tomorrow, we've got a warm front that's going to be lifting northward, so we'll have some scattered showers along with that. Maybe a rumble of thunder. There's the view by noon. A little bit of a break here early afternoon into the first part of the evening, but that chance for thunderstorms ramps back up mainly after 6 p.m. You'll see a couple of thunderstorms here racing off towards the northeast. This is 10:30 tomorrow night, and this data source is keying in on a couple of strong storms, perhaps even severe storms because of the environment that we're going to have ahead of the main line of storms coming in. So keep that in mind too. We can see severe weather before this rolls in. This is 2 o'clock Saturday morning. Again, this is about as early as I've seen with arrival times. It can be as late as 4 to 6 a.m. for the shoals. Just keep that in mind. These storms continue to track eastward. They're right along the I-65 corridor by 5 a.m. Continuing to track eastward. What we're watching for here is going to be that damaging straight line wind threat and then embedded tornadoes within this line. 7 o'clock Saturday morning, and then starting to see things quiet down as we get closer to midday. Don't get your hopes up that all of this is going to be out of here as early as 11 a.m. Again, the timeline here, this is about the earliest that we've looked at, but it is something that I want you to be prepared for, not caught off guard with, but it is much quieter just in general by Saturday afternoon. Here's that severe weather outlook. I told you that the risk was higher farther west. The Storm Prediction Center has our shoals in a 3 out of 5 on the scale from the Storm Prediction Center. That's an enhanced risk. So make sure that you have ways to receive warnings that are going to wake you up tomorrow night in the event that a warning is issued. Charge those devices before you go to bed and make sure you know where to take shelter in the event that a warning is issued. 7-day forecast shows that it's much quieter behind this front, much colder as well. 54, your high on Sunday. We'll be right back.